On this video, we're going to design the block for the suspension of a post rod type. Okay, so of course, first thing to do is new part, then okay. Alright, so after that, the sketch you're going to do is this sketch. Create a block having this dimension, height 200, and then from here another 200, and then got a slope of 60. Okay, and the height is 50, and then we got 300 horizontal line, and then we got a 300 incline line, and then vertical line with 200 mm dimension. After that, we extrude bows. So on extrude bows, we put 100 mm. So upon extruding, it will become look like this. So the next, we are going to draw the octagon. Okay, so the octagon of this part, we sketch it on the right plane. So from the right plane, we are going to sketch an octagon. To sketch an octagon, we use this sketch. See the polygon. We change the number to 8. Okay, so number is 8 because we got 8 sides. Once done, then check. And then the center of the octagon from this point is 150. Okay, it's on the middle of this vertical part of our block. And the side of the octagon is 80 mm. So once done, we are going to extrude it. So on the extrude, we extrude it 146, so it will exceed 46 mm from this surface. Okay, then check. All right, so once done, we do the chamfering. So the chamfer we did is 35 mm. We select the edges on the bottom part of the octagon with a 45-degree angle. So once done, it looks like this. All right, so next is we chamfer this edge and this edge. So the chamfer we did, okay, we chamfer it by 55 mm and 45 degrees. So we select these two edges, so edge 1 and edge 2. Okay, once done, become like this. So on this part, we are going to right click and sketch. Click this sketch. Okay, and then we are going to sketch these boats. So this is the, okay, this is the sketch. So normal 2. So the sketch is, we got 40 on the big circle and 25 on the small circle. Okay, so we are going to complete the dimension because one dimension is not, so we're going to put one dimension here. So we put this one as 48. All right, so check and then close, and then we extrude 2 times. So first extrude, we extrude this part, so edit, we extrude this part only. Okay, so by 5 mm. So after that, we extrude the center by 55 mm. So meaning this exposed is 50 mm. All right, check. So done, and then the next part. Okay, we sketch on this part. All right, this is for the mounting of our shock absorber. So the first sketch that we did is sketch. All right, so normal 2, we sketch on the base of the block. So the diameter of the small circle is 15. The diameter of the big circle is 25. The distance of the center of the circle to this edge is 40, and from this edge is 55. Okay, done. So same thing, we extrude first this part. So this extrude boss, we do 15 mm. So the outer, we do 15 mm. And then on the inner, okay, we do 52, right? Check. So it becomes like this, and then we insert a plane, okay, a right plane. So the right plane is, we put it 40 mm from the original right plane. We insert a plane 40, which is exactly on the middle of this post. Okay, check. And then we make a sketch. So this is our sketch. All right, normal 2. So the sketch we do is 20 diameter of a circle, and then we draw a straight line on the middle to make it up, and we trim one side. Okay, so 18 is the distance from the top of the post. Okay, then done. Right, so another part that we did is this part. Okay, the mounting of the stabilizer. So on the stabilizer, our sketch is like this. We sketch on right plane. We sketch on right plane. So the diameter of the small circle is 20. The diameter of the big circle is 30. And then we connect a straight line going to the edge of the block. Another straight line, another straight line. So the distance of the center of the circle to the surface of the block is 17 mm, right? And the distance from this point to the center of the circle is 40 mm. And then we extrude. Okay, so what we extrude, check, then we close. All right, we extrude both. So we extrude both by 24 mm. Okay, once done. All right, we extrude cut and fillet. Okay, we extrude cut. We use the same sketch. On the same sketch, we click the same sketch and then click on figures and extrude cut. Extrude cut it by 10 mm. So extrude cut by 10 mm. The same sketch we use, and then check. So it becomes like this. And then we fillet this edge, okay, by 10 mm. So it becomes like this, right? So edit. So we fillet on both sides. So radius of 10 mm. Okay. And then after that, we fillet this space. So click this space and then fillet. So on this fillet, all right, edit. So I select the face with a 10 mm radius. All right, check. So after that, we mirror to the right plane. Click on right plane, and then you go here, mirror, and then select bodies to mirror. Okay, select this one, and then check. So that's it in creating the block for the mounting of our post rod suspension.